Hi viewers, I'm Paul Verdicto. Cake. It touches your mouth and melts your heart. A party without cake is just a meeting. To tell us more about cakes, here comes our reporter, Smirna.
Hi, I'm Smirna from Hajj Drive. Let's take a small journey to see cakes from all around the world, and by the end of this video, we will also learn how to make anti-gravity cakes. Basbouza from Egypt. It is made from semolina batter, sugar and flour water. Blondie, a rich sweet dessert bar originated from United States. It is similar to a chocolate brownie, but it has vanilla instead of cocoa. Red velvet cake from United States. Brazo de Mercedes is a delicious cake from Philippines. Black Forest is a rich cherry-filled chocolate sponge cake originated from Germany. Cheesecake, an ancient dessert from Greece, which has a thick layer of cheese, egg and sugar with a thin base made from crushed biscuits. Crystal cake from China. Fruit cake from ancient Rome. Giver from India. Marble cake from Denmark. Molten chocolate cake from France. Plum cake from United Kingdom. And Salzburger Knaukril from Austria. Now let's see how to make anti-gravity cake. To make anti-gravity cake, you need a plain or cream cake which is a bit taller than the usual cake. You can make it at home or buy from outside. And you also need few packets of jams, chocolate bars and straw. Step 1. Take a chocolate bar and melt it hot. Step 2. Use the hot chocolate as glue to stick the jams to straw. Once the chocolate gets pasted, insert the straw into your cake. Step 3. At the top of your straw, add a weightless paper cover and adjust the cover till it looks like the cover is floating on the air above your gems fountain. And that's it. Your anti-gravity cake is ready. Life lesson: be like cake. It is originated from one country, but still, it has the ability to treat the taste buds of every country. Be ready to give your best efforts to everyone with no difference and no restrictions. Thank you.